I know what you're thinking, bloody hell, he's got another video up. Well, after the success of showing you all the things I've got a few more things to show you. So, first of all, I have got the Razer T-Shirt on. Yeah, I got my size. Oh, and it goes right down, it's like a skirt. Brilliant. And nice little leather bit there, very nice. Very good quality. Feels lovely on the skin. I got my spinner. Right, so what we were talking about yesterday. Yes, so I've got my Manticor, and I couldn't get it out last time because there's some very thick plastic there, and I've had to use a really sharp implement. And I thought, right, let's get it out, because I know you're curious, because I bloody well am. Oh, God. Right, come on. Well, the box is pretty secure. I don't think you're going to worry about anybody too young getting in it. Oh, upside down. Manticor. There we go. Apparently it's an elite. It's not an expert or essential, it's elite. Optimised tracking surface. Well, I've got a little bit of surprise because I've only just read it myself, because again there's hardly anything descriptions on some of their stuff. Oh, nice little bag. It says it comes with a carrying case. Look at that. More Razer logos. Ooh. Okay, very nice. Embossed. Do really need an idiot's guide. Okay, right. Pushing down, you just poke it. Well, no, I'm bloody breaking it. Stuffy that way to get open. Ah, okay. Ooh. It actually looks like, ooh, I don't think it like that. It looks like a little laptop, doesn't it? There's a little case there. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. Goodies. So, what you get? Oh, shit. So this is to carry it around in and protect it. So that's quite cool. So you can put it in. I don't think it'll fit in that keyboard bag, but we'll see. Right. I'm not sure what's in here. What's this? I guess that's like a cleaner. Oh. Like a little cloth or something for it. Right. Get in there. It's like a, yeah. Just never know how hard to press things. So I just feel like a Razer Blade laptop. And talking about Blade, that's, can you tell? That's how thin it is. Just like its owner. No markings on it. Oh yes there is. Right in the corner there, can you see that? So I'm looking at a little screen and I've gone down. It's got a nice rubber on there and cracking. Now, the reason I've got it is like if you put it on the side of an armchair or something and you put your mouse on that, you know what I was trying to show you yesterday, and your laptop on your lap. Or actually to see if the Razer Blade would actually fit on it. So you could put this on your lap, and rather than having a very high spongy thing that a lot of people do, and it just happens to be, I brought my little wee beastie down here. So it's heavy. It's heavy when you've got this bloody Yeah, a bit grubby, isn't it? Been messing around with it. Oh, look at that. Perfect fit. So I'm just going to show you something I can't tell from the back. Alright, so let's hold the... There's a logo on the bottom of the case. Right. So both on there. See? Almost perfect. So that's the thickness there. Cracking! Yes, because it's quite... Oh, nice. So look. Yeah, look at that. You say, yes, alright, I've seen that, What else you got? Oh God, you're patient, yeah. Well, anybody remember that Razer Lian 01 something or the PC case? It came with a free Deathadder Elite. Nice. It's still in the box, looks sealed. And I've been dying to get it out, but I thought, well, I did say I'd get a video of it. And you can see it on the mat. Again, it's got that same kind of heavy duty plastic on here. Cut myself on that, I'll tell you. It's got really sharp. So long as it was sealed. Oh, it's bloody easy. Oh, okay. Ooh, alright. There she be. I've got an awful lot of stickers. I love my stickers. Right. I've checked recently supplier and they don't give a free one of these out anymore. Oh yeah, it does feel good, doesn't it? Got that nice braided. Stuff on the way. Oh yeah, very nice. And it's the paint on here is very similar, probably the same how they put this on as they put it on the laptop, which is very hard and long lasting. But I don't think I'll use this every day though. I'm going to want to save it. Again, like to put my Razer on my lap. It's a pretty premium bit of product this is. That is really nice. I meant that, not the mouse. Oh, I like the little rubber grip on the sides, that's cool. So sometimes I just play a long time. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm bubbling on again. Look at this. It's got some funny noises, so hear that. And I bet it sounds like a flying sauce, doesn't it? Right, okay. Oh, Kitty, what do you think? That was a good video? Did you like that one? Did you? What? You're not? Oh, come on!